Well, the snow is gone and spring is finally here. I've got a brand new hot tent and stove that I've been dying to try out. So I packed it into the canoe, paddled out to a nice quiet spot, and this is where I'm going to be spending the night. I was here for a spring trip 2 years ago, and it doesn't look like anyone's been here since. This will be my first time hot tenting, and it's been raining on and off since I've been paddling in here, and it's supposed to keep doing more of the same until later tonight. It's pretty warm right now. It's about 8 degrees. It's going to be going down to 0 tonight, and it's going to feel like -4. After my last winter camping video, where I challenged myself to make it through the night in a survival shelter, I'm hoping this trip will be pretty cozy. Cool. We had a pretty good ice storm in this area a couple weeks ago. There's lots of downed trees, so it's making collecting wood a little bit easier. This might look like it would be good firewood, being that it's already broken at the trunk. It's a dead tree, I'm not hurting anything. If you look closely, there's buds on this tree here, which means this was a pretty healthy tree before it fell in what I would presume was the ice storm. This wood is still very green. A lot of moisture content still in it. It won't burn that well. Cool. Huh, look at that. It seems to have kept its shape from my first burn with it, so that'll speed it up for me a lot. Well, that should be a good start. Time for dinner. A little bit of brown sugar. You can hear some coyotes off in the distance there. And an airplane. Another airplane. A little bit of rosemary and thyme. I'm making grilled cheeses. Fancy grilled cheeses. Oh, it smells good. That's good. Pretty simple, but I thought the brown sugar and the onions was a cool idea. It's raining again. And it's getting windier too. Definitely feeling pretty good about being in here. Time for round 2. I'm gonna get some tea going. This little trick I started using so I could shred cheese at home is once you shred it, throw a little bit of cornstarch in the bag with the shredded cheese and it'll stop it from clumping together. Well, it was certainly a lot more work getting set up. Even though the tent's only one pole, it's a little finicky to get it staked out just right. The stove actually went together way easier than I thought it was going to. I had anticipated stovepipe being a big hassle again to put it together, which it wasn't at all, which is great. And of course the firewood, cut and split quite a bit of it. Hopefully I have enough because the stuff that's out there now is getting wet again. But it's raining and it's 2 degrees out right now. And I'm sitting in here and I'm quite comfortable. Another cool little piece of kit for this hot tent setup is this little CO detector, carbon monoxide detector. Tells me the temperature, the humidity, and then of course if there's any CO. And I just hang that up here and leave it running overnight. And if CO does get too high, it'll actually beep and it'll wake me up. Well, the tea is still too hot to drink, and it sounds like the rain's let up a little bit outside, so I think now is probably as good a time as any to go hang the fruit bag. Oh, food bags hung. It's tea time by the fire. I definitely could have eaten another grilled cheese sandwich. I definitely should have had 3. But that's okay, because I brought snacks, so for dessert I get dehydrated mangoes. I'm sure it's the heat in here that is making me this tired, but I think that's it for me. I'm ready for bed. I'm gonna load up the stove one last time and see how long the heat lasts from it. See you guys in the morning. Morning. Oh, it's so nice out. I woke up this morning just after 6 o'clock and it was still super cloudy and rainy. And I was a little worried because it was supposed to stop raining earlier than that, but yeah, it's beautiful out now. I could hear the beavers swimming around, slapping their tails last night. I didn't get a chance to come over and look at this dam before it got dark yesterday. But it looks bigger than it was 2 years ago. I'm gonna hold on to that bacon grease and cook some bannock in it. While I'm waiting for that one to finish up. It's good. Oh, I forgot. I have maple syrup. Just a little splash on there. The tent worked well last night. There was quite a bit of condensation just at the lower edges of the inside of it, but as far as I could tell, there was no leaks. I went to sleep around midnight and loaded that stove right up. Woke up just after 3, stuck some more wood in it, and then I woke up a little after 6, jammed some more wood in there, and it was good until I got up at 9. So if I was winter camping, I'd say you still probably need to bring all your winter gear. I could see myself just loading it before bed, having that warm comfort to fall asleep to, and then sleeping right through the night, and then waking up in the morning and then just having to start it again. I'll definitely be coming back to this area. There's tons of water to explore past that beaver dam, and I'd love to check it out someday. But until then, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.